So Euclid first wrote these equations down. So in real numbers, which we call R, that's the numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity. So any number, whether it's minus a million, 4, minus 25, a million, minus a quarter, a third, so all numbers, including 0. So you have negative numbers, positive numbers which are greater than 0, okay? Where x that means a member of real numbers. That just means a member of. So under addition, there's 6 properties. If A and B are members of R, then A plus B is a member of R. Okay? This is called closure. So example, that would be a member of R, okay? Or 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay? 2, second property. This is the density. If A, so in this case 3 plus 0, this is an example, 3 plus 0 equals 0 plus 3, which equals 3. Okay? So this is the density. Okay? And then 3. Okay? So, for example, minus 4 plus 4 equals 4 minus 4, which equals 0. Or minus 12 plus 12 equals 12 minus 12, which equals 0. Okay? Next, you have 4. This is called associativity. So, for example, if you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6, which equals 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, that's an example. 5. Called commuting. So, for example, 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. Okay? 5 equals 5. Works full numbers are 7 plus 3 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10. 6. This is called, so if you have 1 times 2 plus 3 equals 1 times 2 plus 1 times 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, times 1 is 5. And 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 times 1 is 3, which equals 5. Okay? And this is called the... So that's under addition. And then under multiplication, same properties occur, except there's one less. So you have... So, for example, 2 times 3 equals 6, which is a member of R. Okay? So multiplying two numbers gives you a number, a real number. 2. So this is the identity property. So say 24 times 1 equals 1 times 24, which equals 24. Okay? So that's the identity. There's also commuting as well, but it's the identity. 3. Okay, so it's basically a times a minus 1 equals a minus 1 times a, which equals 1. Okay? Or 1/5 times 5 equals 1, or 1/100th times 100 equals 1, or minus 1/100th times minus 100 equals, for example, minus okay. And 5, 4, you got 1 times 2 times 3 equals 1 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, which equals 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? So this is the distributive property. I think that's what it's called. And then 5, you got commuting. So 4 times 3 equals 3 times 4. Okay? Which is, remember, real numbers. So that's the multiplication and addition properties. These are all the ancient maths, the ancient equations, which are still in common use by everybody. Okay? I think everybody uses these without even thinking about it, realizing it. Thanks.